मैम 3 और √3 कैंसिल नहीं होंगे ना?
See here first when we will check x equals to -1 by √3, px will be 3 into -1 by √3, the whole square -1. So it is 3.
ओके मैम.
1 square is 1 and √3 square is 3. -1, 3 upon 3 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So x minus 1 by √3 is 0 of this polynomial. Okay. Then x equals to 2 by √3. We have to check this one. P of 2 by √3 is 3 into 2 by √3, the whole square, -1. 2 square is 4. √3 square is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. So 2 by √3 is not 0 of polynomial px. Clear? -1 by √3 is 0 of this polynomial and 2 by √3 is not 0 of this polynomial. So px equals to 2x plus 1 and we have to check x equals to 1 by 2. So p of 1 by 2 equals to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 and 2 cancel. 1 plus 1 is 2. So p of 1 by 2 is not equal to 0. Therefore,
Yes मैम.
x equals to 1 by 2 is not 0 of the polynomial px. Is it clear?
Yes मैम.
Okay. Find the 0 of
It
polynomial.
it is very easy.
It is very easy.
Mine 5 first one.
Find the 0 of the polynomial. First one is px equals to x plus 5. When we have to find 0 of the polynomial, we'll put px equals to 0 and find the value of x. Px equals to 0, that means px की क्या value है? X plus 5 equals to 0. X equals to -5. So this is the answer. X equals to -5 is the 0 of this polynomial px. Okay. Next, second part. Px equals to x minus 5. What we'll do? We'll put px equals to 0. Px equals to
Ma'am, answer is
x minus 5 equals to 0. X equals to 5. So x equals to 5 is the polynomial px. Okay.
yes ma'am.
And all of them. Third part. Px equals to 2x plus 5. Okay. So px equals to 0. Equals to 0. X will be equal to what, Yashvi?
Ma'am, 2x minus 5.
Minus 5 by 2. Okay.
2, yes ma'am.
So x equals to minus 5 by 2 is 0 of polynomial px. Okay. Fourth one, px equals to 3x minus 2. Yes, Manav, how will do this?
Ma'am, 3x is equals to minus plus 2
Hmm.
equals to S2, then is equals to 2 upon 3.
Okay. X equals to 2 by 3. So x equals to 2 by 3 is 0 of polynomial Px. Okay. Then fifth question, Px equals to 3x. Yes, Yashvi. How will you do this?
Ma'am, x is equals to 0 upon 3 and x will be 3 only.
So no,
Ma'am,
no, x will be 0. Px equals to 0 matlab x equals to 0. Okay.
yes.
So x equals to 0 is 0 of polynomial Px. Okay. Then sixth one. Yes, Manav.
Yes, no.
How will you do this?
Equal to 0.
What will be the answer?
Mm,
Ax equals to 0. It is given that a is not equal to 0. अगर दो numbers है उनका product 0 है और एक number 0 नहीं है तो another number will be 0. So x equals to 0. Okay. So x number equals to 0 is 0 of polynomial Px. Okay. Yes. Sixth one, Yashvi. Px equals to Cx plus D. How will you do it? Or what will be the answer?
Ma'am, ma'am, C is,
X will be equal to minus D by C. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे Px equals to 0 पुट करेंगे. That means Cx plus D equals to 0. Okay. So Cx
Ma'am,
equals to minus D और x equals to minus D by C. So x equals to minus D by C is 0 of polynomial Px.
ma'am, can you explain one more time?
Okay. Which one? Seventh one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. डिविजन एल्गोरिथम में क्या होता है? डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू डिवाइजर quotient plus remainder. Okay. Example, suppose we are dividing 11 by 5. So 11, 5 to the 10, remainder is 1. This is dividend. This is divisor. This is quotient. And this is remainder. Okay. So we can see that 2 into 5 plus 1 is equal to 11. So this is true. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. This is true for polynomials also. Okay. If we divide a polynomial by another polynomial, then this division algorithm will be true. Okay. Now, how do we divide one polynomial by another? Okay. So example 6 I am taking. Suppose we have to divide a polynomial Px by Gx. Okay. Where Px is x plus 3x square minus 1 and Gx is 1 plus x. Okay. So first step for dividing a polynomial by another is arranging them in descending powers of x. फर्स्ट स्टेप ये होगा जो भी हमको पॉलिनोमियल दिया है उसको सबसे हाईएस्ट पावर वाले टर्म को फर्स्ट, फिर नेक्स्ट एज ए डिसेंडिंग पावर्स ऑफ एक्स में हमको उसको अरेंज करना है. तो यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट पावर है 2, फिर 1 और फिर 0. सो विल राइट इन दिस वे. नेक्स्ट gx also we have to arrange same way. Okay. So first step is arranging in descending powers of x. Now dividing 3x square plus x minus 1 x plus 1. We have to think this way. What should be multiplied by x to get 3x square? What should be multiplied by x to get 3x square? So 3x square divided by x. X and x cancel. So it is 3x should be multiplied. Okay. 3x should be multiplied by x plus 1. So we'll write it 3x square plus 3x. Now we'll write like terms below like terms. X square वाला term x square के नीचे लिखेंगे. x वाला term x के नीचे लिखेंगे. जहाँ पे कोई भी term नहीं है वहाँ कुछ नहीं लिखेंगे. Now जैसे नॉर्मल डिवीजन में होता है सब्ट्रैक्शन, तो हम यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, इन नीचे वाले जो भी हमने सब लिखा है इनके सबके साइंस चेंज कर देंगे. और जो हमने चेंज किया है अब ये इसका फाइनल साइन है, 3x square minus 3x square. So it will be 0x minus 3x. अब हम इस वाले प्लस को नहीं देखेंगे. ओके, x minus 3x, this will be minus 2x minus 1. Okay, now next step is what should be multiplied by x to get minus 2x. So it is minus 2x चाहिए हमको और किससे चाहिए, x से. So minus 2. Minus 2 is the answer. Minus 2 should be multiplied by x plus 1. So it will be minus 2x minus 2. Again changing signs. So this minus sign will become plus. This will also become plus. Minus 2x plus 2x cancel. 2. This is now plus 2. अभी हम इसको पढ़ेंगे भी plus 2. Plus 2 minus 1, 1. So 1 is the remainder. Okay. So this is. अब हम divide कब तक करेंगे, जब तक हमको रिमाइंडर की डिग्री डिवाइजर की डिग्री से कम नहीं हो जाए तब तक हम इसको डिवाइड करते रहेंगे. डिवाइजर क्या है, x plus 1 और रिमाइंडर क्या है 1. इसकी डिग्री है 0, इसकी डिग्री है 1. सो नाउ वी विल स्टॉप. ओके, सो दिस इज कोशिएंट, दिस इज डिवाइजर, दिस इज रिमाइंडर. ओके, वी कैन चेक ऑल्सो. Quotient into divisor plus remainder should be dividend. Okay, so this is 3x square will multiply by distributive law. 3x will be multiplied by x plus 1, minus 2 will be multiplied by x plus 1. So it is 3x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3x square, 2x minus x, 3x minus 2x is x, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, which is equal to dividend. Example 7. Divide the polynomial 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, so first step is arranging them in descending powers of x. It is already arranged x to the power 4, x to the power x cube, x and 1. यहाँ पे x square की term नहीं है. Okay, so we'll write 0 plus x square plus 0x square. क्योंकि यहाँ पे x square की टर्म नहीं दे रखी है इसलिए हम एक टर्म ऐसे खुद से ऐड कर देंगे. इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है, एक्चुअली इट इज 0 ओनली, बट वी आर राइटिंग दिस in order to simplify our division process. Okay, then here it is x minus 1. First step is what should be multiplied by x to get 3x to the power 4. What should be multiplied by x to get 3x to the power 4? तो ये हो जाएगा 3x cube. 3x cube को किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम, x minus 1 से. तो ये होगा 3x to the power 4 minus 3x cube. 3x to the power 4 minus 3x cube. Okay, now changing signs. So this is minus and this is plus. This and this cancel. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus x cube plus 0x square minus 3x minus 1. What should we multiply it by x to get minus x cube? Minus x cube by x. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. ओके, माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एक्स माइनस 1. तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस एक्स क्यूब प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. माइनस एक्स क्यूब प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. Changing signs. So this will become plus and this will become minus. Minus x cube plus x cube 0. 0 x square is nothing. Nothing minus x square. So this will be minus x square minus 3x minus 1. What should be multiplied by x to get minus x square? It will be minus x. Minus x into x minus 1 minus x square plus x. It will be minus x square plus x. Again changing signs. So this will become plus, this will become minus. This and this cancel. Minus 3 minus x minus 4x minus 1. What should be multiplied by x to get minus 4x? It is minus 4. So it is minus 4x minus 4 into x minus 1. It will be minus 4x plus 4. Okay. Now again changing signs. So this will become plus, this will become minus. Minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5. Okay. Stopping here. That's it. Okay. So degree of, now degree of divisor and degree of remainder. Degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor. So now we will stop. Okay. This is about this division.